my channel. I'm super excited that you made it here today. Today we're going to be doing this really natural, really beautiful, glowy skin tutorial. So this whole thing is really about embracing your natural beauty for summer and really just being as glowy and dewy as humanly possible. So here is kind of what the look is going to look like when you are done. So if you want to see how to get this exact look, please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, we're going to be using our spray, our Glow Mist. So this is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist. It looks like these, and we're just going to start by spraying this all over our face to give ourselves that glowy base that we need to get started. Okay, so once that's completely dried on your face, next we're going to go in with our primer. So the dewy primer that we're going to be using to prep our skin is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. Just looks like this. It smells like honey. It feels really nice in the skin. I've talked about this before. It's one of my favorite dewy skin primers. Basically, you just like get it on this little spatula situation. And this primer is super nice too because it makes your skin pretty sticky, so it holds the foundation really nicely, which I really like. So now it's time to kind of get into our actual foundation and that kind of stuff. Okay, so I have two products I'm going to be mixing together for my foundation today. So the first one is the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector. What a mouthful. Wow. This also has SPF 20, which is awesome in the summer, so you definitely want to make sure that you're putting SPF on your face every day. And a great way to do that is just making sure your tinted moisturizers or BB creams already has it in there. I'm in a super light coverage, and then we're going to sheer it out even more, just a little bit, with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light Illuminator. And basically you're just going to pump this on the back of your hand, put a tiny little drop of the illuminizer in there, and then mix it together, and that's what we're going to be putting on our face. So it just looks like this on the back of my hand. Really shake up this illuminizer because it does tend to separate. I just put a little drop, mix them together. And this is just kind of going to give you like a glow from within kind of look, which is perfect for summer. And you can mix that illuminator in with any foundation as well if you prefer something a little bit more full coverage than a BB cream. You can definitely mix it in with something else and it still looks just as beautiful and just as illuminating. Okay, and you can see even here if I turn my cheek a little bit that I already have that glowy base here, especially with that illuminizing foundation. Okay, so I'm going to throw on a little bit of concealer just underneath my eyes. This is not technically a luminizing concealer, but it does stay kind of tacky and it's definitely not matte, which is what we're looking for here anyway. So this is just my Maracuja Creaseless Concealer by Tarte. Just warming that up on the back of my hand, and then I'm just sticking to putting this right underneath my eye. And anything left over on my finger, I just add to my jawline here where I have a little bit of blemishes. But I don't add anything new, just whatever was left over. I also brought this concealer up on my lids so that we don't have to prime our eyes, so it's all done in one step. Okay, so now our face is finished there. What I'm going to go in with now are the rest of our cream products. So I have two cream products to use, the blush and the bronzer. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the bronzer. So this is my Nudies All Over Face color in Bondi Bay. And it's just a really great bronzer for summer. I don't like to put too much, just enough to kind of define underneath my cheekbones. The reason you want to use cream products on these steps too is because they're not going to mattify your face. Most powders, even if they're just slight, will slightly mattify your face when you use them. So if you can eliminate some of that mattifying by just using cream products to begin with. So now that that bronzer is all blended out, we're going to go in with a blush, and this is my Lacquer & Co. Blighter in the shade Teacher's Daughter. And it's just this really beautiful shimmery peach colored blush, which looks really, really nice in the summertime. And I just like to tap it on my cheeks here a little bit and then take that beauty sponge again and just blend it out. I also like to tap the blush right up on the side of my nose as well to give me that kind of sun-kissed, almost sunburned look, because I think that's really cute. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my brows really quickly off camera because that's not important to this tutorial. And now we're going to go ahead and move into our face powder. So there's not a ton of places on our face we need to powder today, especially because we're doing glowy look. But I am going to be using my Laura Geller Illuminating Foundation. If you guys have been here for a while, you know this is my favorite, and I just hit pan on it. Oof. Means I'm going to have to go get another one. But basically, I just want to make sure I'm powdering under my eyes for sure, because my concealer will crease if I don't powder underneath there. I like to powder my nose just a little bit and my chin, and I'll get the center of my forehead. And I just kind of took this brush and was sweeping it around the rest of my face, but without any fresh product. So just enough that, you know, we can not be creasy but still be glowy. Okay, so now that we already have our bronzer, we have our blush, we have our powder, we're gonna go ahead and jump into highlighter. So for highlighter, we're going to be using my classic Balm Mary Luminizer. I use this all the time. You guys know the drill. And we're just going to put that on the top of our cheekbones, our nose, and our chin. Okay, so now we're going to do our eye makeup, and this is going to be really, really simple and very easy because we don't want to do a ton. I prefer to do something a little low maintenance during the summer, especially if I'm just going to be out and about and I don't really need to do anything fancy. So, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette in the shade So Bougie. I'm also going to take that shade just underneath my eyes just a little bit. And I'm just going to dip into that Cocoa Truffle color just a tiny bit to add just a little bit more dimension to this crease. Okay, and then last, we're gonna snag the highlighter shade we just used and put that on the inner corner. And also in the brow bone. Okay, so now that we have our eyes done, I'm using this Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. We're gonna go ahead and pop on some minimal lashes and our mascara on the lower lash line. So the lashes I'm going to be using are the Esquito Gin and Tonic lashes. You guys know how much I love these too. They've got such a great lash band and they're really, really natural, which is super nice. And then I'm going to be using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara and the Esquito Companion Eyelash Glue for this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these on. Okay, so now that our lashes are on, we have two last steps to complete this glowy makeup tutorial, and the first one is our Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So this is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and basically it's gonna hold our makeup in place all day and make it sweat and waterproof while keeping that really nice glowy and dewy finish. All right, and then last but not least, we are going to top it with a really beautiful light reflecting gloss. And that's going to be our Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, which is so, so nice. Definitely one of my favorite lip glosses. I just think this gives such a really nice natural gloss finish, which is perfect for this eye look and for this whole skin finish anyways. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Watching this video. I'm super excited that you watched the whole thing. If you haven't yet already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you know next time I upload a video, which is every Monday and Thursday, so stay tuned for the next one. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you guys. Have an awesome rest of your week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys!